about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Lumosity app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on mobile notifications. You just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to sense and community here. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us here. That's mean here sense and community enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.